Time flies when you're having fun. It only seems like yesterday I made my first ever video about what I use to make my videos. Up here somewhere. But things have changed. Time has moved on, and I've moved on. I've got new stuff now. So I thought it was time to do a bit of an update on what I use to make my videos. I'm Graham Woodward. I get older and more decrepit by the day. Welcome to my midlife crisis. So yes, indeed, time has moved on, and so I thought I would do a quick update of the kind of way my studio has moved on a little bit, and hopefully you can see a difference from back end of 2017 when I did my first video to now in almost July 2018. Admittedly, the content remains crap, but hopefully I look a bit better, as best as I can look. So, what have I done? How have I upgraded? Well, if you saw my first video, you'll have seen that I recorded on one of these things. This is my iPhone. Still a great way to record. You've always got it with you. I mean, these do 4K video and all kinds of stuff now, but maybe lack a little bit of versatility. But starting off, if you're starting off with YouTube, great way to start. But I did move on and I bought myself a Canon EOS M6. That is a Canon mirrorless camera. So I've got interchangeable lenses, I've got a lot more control over focus, a lot more control over shutter speeds and all the rest of it. Shooting in low light is much better as well. So it gives me so much more versatility. It has a mic jack on the side, so you can add an external mic. It has a flip up screen, so I can see myself as I'm filming, and it's just compact, small, light, fantastic camera for vlogging, for being out and about with, and also just a great camera for doing stuff like this where I'm just sat in my living room, studio, just talking to you guys. Brilliant stuff. So that was my first purchase. You can see a video up here of when I unboxed that and what are my first impressions of it. The next thing I got was an external mic to improve the audio on my videos. To be fair, the mic on the EOS M6 isn't the greatest. It'll do the job, but if you do have the M6, I would try and upgrade to an external mic as quickly as possible. Again, I shall put a link up there to the videos of a few different mics that I looked at. I'm currently using the Comica CVM VS08. It's a very small shotgun mic. It's actually meant for phones, so to make it work on my camera, I've had to use a 4-pole to 3-pole adapter, which you can pick up very cheap from Amazon and different places, but it works perfectly. It keeps the size down. I don't have to have any kind of added bits that I have to screw on or anything like that. It just fits beautifully into the side of the camera. Retains its kind of small form factor, and I just think it's a perfect little mic. So that was the mic. So that was the next thing I upgraded. And the final thing I upgraded was my lighting. Again, I should post up here a video of me unboxing my lighting kit. It was £105 from Amazon. It came in 2 soft boxes, 2 umbrella lights, and as you can see, a green screen. I haven't found a use for it yet, but I've got some very interesting ideas that will hopefully be coming up soon. I might stick something in the background now to see if it works. I don't know if this is working, but it might do. We'll see. I haven't ironed it and it's not lit very well, so it might not be working. But if it is working, maybe something very exciting happening in the background, or maybe not. But green screen, as I say, 2 umbrella lights and 2 softboxes. Currently, and when I'm just in the living room doing stuff like this, I tend to just use the umbrella lights. Don't need the softboxes if I'm not using the green screen. But it's a great little setup, and I shall give you a little look at it right now. So here I am. You may recognise Darth there in the background. Where are you? There he is. That I got from a toy fair that you can see in one of my vlogs. Well, my only vlog. I shall put it up here as usual. But this is kind of my studio setup at the moment. I have got a lovely new chair from IKEA. Very comfortable. It's the first time I've used it in a video, and I very much enjoy it. And this is kind of my lighting setup as I have it. So I've got one umbrella there. I have my camera mounted up here. Excuse the mess of the table. And then my other umbrella light here. And that's kind of all I'm using. And you can see there, that's where I have my green screen set up. As I say, I haven't used it yet. I've got some interesting little ideas involving automatones and computer games, but we'll see. And that is it. Very, very basic setup, but works brilliantly. So anyway, back to me. So yeah, so that is it. Just a really quick look at how I've kind of updated the things I use to try and make my videos look a bit better. As I've said before, content still a bit crap, but I will work on that, I promise. I hope that has given you a little bit of insight, maybe giving you some ideas as to what you need to do or what you could do potentially to improve your videos if you're just starting out. In the meantime, as always, if you've enjoyed this, please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. I should put a link down below to some of the stuff that I've bought here and that I've shown you. If you're interested, there you go, they're there for you. Otherwise, until next time, take care. Love you all. Time flies when you're having fun, and so much is how I use my I show you how I've moved on and how my talking